Ever found yourself painstakingly recreating the same character in Higgsfield, only to have subtle differences derail your narrative? Achieving true character consistency across multiple Higgsfield scenes is crucial for a believable and immersive visual story. And today, we're diving deep into how to master it. Step 1. The foundation of consistency: feature anchoring. When you generate your initial character, be incredibly precise in your prompting for key facial features and defining characteristics. Think of these as your visual anchors. Don't just say blue eyes, specify the shade instead of brown hair. Describe it as dark chocolate, slightly unkempt. The more specific you are here, the better your AI will understand your vision. Step 2. Pose piloting. Consistency in pose is just as vital. When you have a pose that perfectly captures your character's personality or the scene's mood, make note of the descriptive keywords you use to achieve it. This might involve describing the angle of their head, the bend of their knees, or the placement of their hands. If you can, utilize any pose reference tools within Higgsfield, or save your pose descriptors for easy reuse. Step 3. Style stabilization. Similarly, lock down your character's artistic style. Are they photorealistic, illustrative, or something more abstract? Ensure your prompts always include the core stylistic elements you want. This could be the art medium, the lighting quality, or even the overall mood and color saturation. By meticulously anchoring your character's features, piloting their poses, and stabilizing their style, you're not just generating images. You're building a consistent visual identity. This ensures your narratives flow seamlessly and your audience connects deeply with your characters. Scene after scene, start implementing these techniques and watch your visual storytelling transform.